Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into admin. Google, com with your administrator account. This is essential because only admins can enable Gmail. Once signed in, confirm billing is active and that your domain is verified. You need DNS control. Open your registrar or DNS host in another tab because you will add MX records soon. Make sure two-step verification is on for your admin. That reduces disruption during verification. Now move to Apps in the admin console to begin enabling Gmail. You navigate to Apps, then Google Workspace, and toggle Gmail on for your organizational units. This activates service at the product level. Next, go to your DNS host and replace existing MX records with Google's MX set, preserving priority numbers like 1 and 5. Once done, lower TTL temporarily to speed propagation, then verify there are no stray MX records left. Make sure SBF and DKIM plans are noted now, since you'll configure them next to ensure deliverability. After DNS changes, return to Admin Console and run the MX verification. It may take minutes to hours depending on DNS. Once verified, create a DKIM key and enable it, and ensure SBF includes Google servers, then add a DMARC policy for reporting. Test by sending and receiving from external accounts and confirm user mailbox access. If mail doesn't flow, one key troubleshooting step is to recheck for residual MX records or incorrect priorities in DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.